Looking to make the most of a small space without sacrificing style or function? From hidden beds to cleverly designed storage, these smart and secret furniture pieces are built to transform your home in unexpected ways. Whether you're in a studio apartment or just love a minimalist setup, these space-saving ideas will show you how much more your furniture can do. Let's take a closer look. The Mini Scatola is a compact bench that folds down into a single box-shaped seat with its panels stored neatly inside. Paired with an extendable table designed in the same way, it helps maximize floor space when not in use. The box itself can even function as a side table, making it a practical piece for everyday living. Assembly is quick and intuitive, with the components sliding out smoothly. When fully extended, each bench can seat up to 5 people. Made from durable materials and available in black or white, it's designed to suit a range of interior styles. The mechanism is built for long-term use, and the soft padding ensures it remains comfortable for sitting. When not needed, the unit can stay tucked away as a side table, ready to convert when guests arrive. The Dore SofaBunk bed is a practical solution for accommodating overnight guests. What starts as a comfortable sofa can be quickly transformed into a bunk bed that sleeps 2 adults. The seat base pulls forward, and the upper section lifts into place, with the entire structure locking securely, using a key for added safety and stability. Equipped with a built-in ladder and support guards, both beds are ready for use in under a minute. It's a useful option for families who host sleepovers often or need extra sleeping space during gatherings. The frame is spring-loaded, making it easy to lift without much effort, and the assembly process is simple and quick. When not in use as a bed, the sofa functions well on its own, comfortably seating up to 3 adults. The Office Shell is a compact workspace designed to address the challenges of open-plan environments, where noise and lack of privacy can make it difficult to focus. This small enclosed booth creates a personal workspace that feels like a mini-room just for you. Constructed from eco-friendly materials, it occupies only 4 square meters, making it a space-efficient option for both home and office settings. It's especially useful for remote work or video calls, providing a quiet, distraction-free zone without the need for a full office setup. The Circle Kitchen is a compact and highly efficient solution for small living spaces. Designed to rotate 180 degrees, it features sliding doors that open smoothly, giving easy access to all your kitchen essentials. Despite its small footprint, just 1.8 square meters, it manages to house appliances, storage, and workspace all in one neat unit. Everything is organized and within arm's reach, making it ideal for apartments or homes where kitchen space is limited. It's a smart way to maintain functionality without sacrificing room for other important elements in your living area. The design makes surprisingly good use of its compact size. Next is the wall-mounted switch desk by Hideaway Solutions, a smart choice for saving space in a room or home office. Designed for flexibility, it can be installed to swing open either to the left or right, depending on your layout. The desk is built from durable, high-quality materials and has a clean, modern look. A key feature is its gas strut mechanism, which allows you to open and close the desk smoothly with just one hand. It also includes a built-in USB charger, making it easy to keep your devices powered while you work. It's a practical and compact setup for anyone needing a functional workspace without taking up valuable floor area. The Junior Giant Extending Table with Transformer Seats is a compact coffee table that expands into a full-size dining table capable of seating over 10 people. Its hidden extension leaves are stored within the table, allowing it to transform quickly and smoothly into a spacious, durable surface for meals or gatherings. What makes this design stand out is its use of discrete locking wheels and a gas lift mechanism, which make raising, lowering, and moving the table remarkably simple. It's available in various stain-resistant finishes and wood panel options, making it both a practical space saver and an elegant addition to any interior. In homes with limited space, stairs and chairs can often become obstacles, making it harder to move around freely. To tackle this issue, an Australian designer, Bianchi, has developed a folding stair system made from bamboo, a material known for its strength and sustainability. Bianchi, an industrial designer focused on space-saving solutions, creates foldable furniture that includes both chairs and stairs. His approach emphasizes ease of use and simple installation, making his design suitable for compact living spaces. Although the folding stair system is still in early production, it's currently Bianchi's main area of focus and has the potential to become a common feature in apartments and small homes in the near future. Here's a smart solution for maximizing bathroom space: the Hidealoo system. Designed to retract into the wall of a wet room or slide out from beneath a kitchen sink cabinet, it helps make the most of tight areas where every inch counts. In a small bathroom, this setup creates extra room for everyday activities like showering or brushing your teeth, without having to awkwardly maneuver around a fixed toilet. The Hidealoo is fully functional and built to support the weight of an average adult. When it's no longer needed, simply press a button to flush, pull the handle to unlock it, and slide it back into its hidden position. Just remember to let guests know how it works, and of course, wash your hands afterward. Next is the Swivel Foldaway bed, which stands out due to its unique rotating mechanism. Instead of folding down in the traditional way, the bed pivots smoothly on a swivel, revealing a functional reverse side that doubles as a bookcase or additional shelving. This dual-purpose design adds both storage and flexibility, making it a smart option for maximizing space in compact living areas. A workstation by day and a gaming setup by night, the Dizzone Smart Workstation is an all-in-one solution for compact living. Designed to function as a mini-home office, it combines a desk, a comfortable chair, and dedicated storage for everything from your computer to gaming gear, all without taking up much space. Its adjustable components make it easy to adapt to different tasks, whether you're working, studying, or unwinding with a game. Dizzone helps keep your setup tidy and organized, offering a streamlined alternative to juggling multiple pieces of furniture in a small area. Introducing the Smart Console Dining Table, a clever solution to the common issue of bulky, immovable dining furniture. Unlike traditional tables that take up too much space, this versatile piece folds neatly into a compact console when not in use. When it's time to dine, it expands into a spacious table that can comfortably seat up to 5 people. Only need a bit of space? Open it halfway to create a cozy setup for studying or an intimate dinner for 2. Designed with a neutral color palette, it blends effortlessly with virtually any interior decor or style. The Chair Mattress Transformer offers a practical alternative to standard pull-out sofas. With no metal frame, it folds and unfolds more quietly and smoothly. The mattress attaches to a cone-shaped chair using Velcro, keeping the setup simple. When you have 2 of these chairs, they can be opened and joined to form a full circle, turning into a makeshift bed that's useful for unexpected overnight guests. Velcro on the bottom helps hold the pieces together. It comes in different sizes. The smallest is suitable for a toddler to use outdoors, while the larger ones accommodate taller people. The fabric is wear-resistant, so it can be moved across rough surfaces or used outside without much concern. It's a flexible option for sitting or sleeping, depending on what's needed. The Adali Kids Bunk Bed is a well-rounded option for those looking to combine sleeping space with storage in a compact design. Unlike typical bunk beds that can feel bulky or underutilized, this setup includes a pull-out bed underneath and multiple built-in drawers, making better use of available space. Even the steps leading to the top bunk serve a dual purpose by functioning as storage drawers. One standout feature is the built-in table that slides out smoothly from the side and can still be used even when the lower bed is extended. Alongside that is a full cupboard, giving kids an easy place to store clothes and get ready on their own. Despite the number of compartments and moving parts, the beds slide out easily, and the design remains manageable to clean and maintain. It's a space-efficient setup that balances practicality with thoughtful design. The Sofa Magico Multifunctional is a modular furniture system designed with flexibility in mind. It starts with a basic block structure that can be customized in various ways. By stacking the blocks side by side and securing them with a hook and L-shaped nut, you create a stable base. Cushions can then be added on top, and more can be layered underneath for extra height and support. Depending on how it's assembled, this piece can function as a stool, a sofa with an added backrest, or even a small coffee table by attaching legs and a wooden top. When you need more seating, the cushions can be spread out, their legs extended, and joined together to accommodate guests. If needed, the setup can also be converted into single beds. With its solid black color and silver accents, it has a simple yet polished look that blends well with a range of interiors. Retractable wall bunk beds offer a more streamlined take on traditional bunk bed setups. Rather than dealing with a bulky frame or time-consuming assembly, these beds are designed to be mounted directly onto a wall using a few screws and bolts. Once installed, they fold out like a cabinet, allowing you to adjust both the spacing and height between the bunks to suit your needs. When not in use, the beds can be folded back into the wall, much like a Murphy bed, which helps free up floor space and keeps the room tidy. This makes daily maintenance easier too. There's no need to make the bed if you're just folding it away. With a clean, minimal design, this setup works well for shared rooms, whether for siblings or college students trying to make the most of limited space. Next is the swivel table for studio, a compact piece that offers more than it appears at first glance. At a quick look, it resembles an ordinary table, but a closer inspection reveals an L-shaped drawer. This unique drawer slides out and extends into a larger surface, functioning like a desk. What makes it stand out is its ability to swivel to the side, giving you flexibility in how you use the space. The table's compact size allows it to fit comfortably in small corners, and it can even serve as a bedside table. It's built from a type of wood that's both durable and lightweight, making it easy to move around. The swivel mechanism is well oiled to ensure it rotates smoothly without sticking. With this design, there's no need to lift or unfold heavy furniture, something that aligns with the practical approach of smart furniture by Castel movies. This pull-out dinner table is designed to unfold on its own, automatically positioning itself right in front of you with the press of a button. Its refined construction makes it suitable even for formal settings, elegant enough to set with your best dishes. On either side, benches emerge at the same time, creating a comfortable dining arrangement. What makes this setup especially impressive is how seamlessly the benches are hidden within the walls when not in use. They're barely noticeable. This kind of automated furniture is particularly useful for anyone who may find traditional furniture setup physically demanding. Compact and efficient, the kitchen table even aligns itself without any manual effort, making it a practical solution for smaller homes or those looking to reduce everyday strain. The Shin and Nikkei Foldaway bed offers a visually appealing and functional sleeping setup that wouldn't look out of place on a Pinterest board. It features 2 bunk beds, a sleek ladder, and an additional bed positioned to face the window, ideal for anyone who enjoys waking up to natural light. Unlike traditional Murphy beds, which limit wall decoration, this design allows for posters or decor behind the beds without risk of damage when folding them away. When not in use, the entire setup folds neatly into the wall, creating a clean, open space while maintaining the continuity of the room's interior design. The Span Coffee Transformer table is a versatile piece that shifts easily between functions. Within seconds, it can go from a full dining or work table to a compact coffee table, The legs fold inward and store neatly inside the main body, which can then be raised or lowered using a lever underneath by applying upward or downward pressure. It adjusts in height from 11 to 30 inches. To extend it again, just pull out the ends, unfold the surface panels, and fit everything together. The table is simple to move regardless of its setup, and depending on the number of people, you can extend one or both sides. Its design is straightforward but highly functional, making it suitable for different occasions and able to seat anywhere from 1 to 8 people. The Tumidei Foldaway bed from Italy offers a clever way to switch between lounging and sleeping areas. Instead of relying on a traditional heavy sofa frame, it uses a lighter cushioned, fluffy sofa, making the setup more efficient and easier to manage. The bed itself folds down from the wall using a servo-assisted hydraulic frame that allows it to lower safely without manual effort. This setup is especially practical for small apartments, combining modern functionality with thoughtful design. The sofa components are made from high-quality Italian materials and include a leather handle for easier repositioning. Unlike standard sofas, the backrest can be adjusted or folded to better support your posture and comfort preferences. The Calli board by Clei is a clever piece of furniture that shifts between a shelf or desk and a bed with built-in storage below. When the bed is folded down, the board stays upright and level, so anything on it remains in place. Once you're done using the bed, you can fold it back up and immediately resume working or studying without having to rearrange anything. A practical and efficient design. A related design from the same creator follows a similar approach, but swaps the single bed and shelf for a double bed that converts into a sofa. It's a compact and flexible option, well suited for studio flats or as an extra sleeping space in a small apartment. The ITO Foldaway bed is a multifunctional piece that combines sleeping, seating, and storage in one compact design. It comfortably sleeps 2 people and can be transformed into both a sofa and a bookshelf, making it a versatile addition to any small space. As a continuation of the previous 2 concepts, this model, also by the same designer, adds even more functionality with a fold-down desk and additional shelving. It's a smart way to get the most out of limited living space without sacrificing comfort or practicality.